Devi Durga, the sacred form of female power and purity. The goddess who fought with the monster when all men failed to defeat him. The goddess is worshipped worldwide by all the Hindus and other religions as well. She is the beholder of all good. Durga Puja is the praising of the goddess all over the world by the mankind.
Durga Puja, though a festival of the Hindus traditionally, its celebration is secular. Little towns, villages take on carnival year. Pandals borrowed temporary structures of bamboo, canvas idols installed of great ceremony. The festival where the rich and poor come together. Durga is Shakti or female energy. She is the consort of god Shiva and the daughter of Himavad, the Himalaya mountains and Mayamaya. As Shakti, she has two forms, one mild and the other fierce. The goddess is believed to reincarnate in various forms, each of them signifying a different aspect of a woman and her alliance with the nature. Mild, fierce, caring, protesting. The goddess dedicated to the cause of the dwellers of the entire world, whom she looks upon as her children. She is believed to mourn with us when we shed tears. She celebrates our success. Durga is a form of acknowledging the blessing of a divinity.
It takes months to produce what is seen in the decorative structures called pandals. She is adorned with gems and jewels, and one arm in each of her 10 hands, and her inner beauty radiates from within the soul instilled in the idol. It commences with carving of Durga idols by the artists in Komotuli, the place well known for the purpose, so much so that it derives its name from the word Kumor, meaning potter. The preparations for the puja begin on Pratipada, the first day of the waxing moon. A number of rituals are performed to invoke the goddess and worship thereafter.
Durga Puja has embarked ways to showcase the artistic skills in the construction of pandal and the idol through theme puja. In Kolkata, the seat of its all, exists the culture of Barwari Pujo. Baro means 12. It was a term coined when a group of 12 friends arranged for a pujo in the reap-roaring celebration. Many people also donate food and clothes to the poor during this festival. Traditionally, the idol is painted yellow, the apparent color of the sun. The huge ball of fire, signifying her immense power and vigor that bears the capacity of burning away all evil power into ashes.
She is a symbol of power and purity. Long before the deity is believed to descend upon the earth with the children, the cities are decked with the fragrance of seasonal flowers that bring home the message of her arrival.
Chokhudan. On Mahalaya, the sculptors carry out their final touch of drawing the eyes of the mother goddess. This auspicious ritual is called Chokhudan. It marks the beginning of Durga's journey to visit the mortal world.
তিনি এক তবু প্রকাশ বিভিন্ন দেবী নারায়ণী আবার ব্রহ্মশক্তি রূপা ব্রহ্মাণী কখনো মাহেশ্বরী রূপে প্রকাশমানা কখনো বা নির্মলা কৌমারী রূপধারিণী কখনো মহাবজ্র রূপিণী ঐন্দ্রী
Kalaparamha. On Mahashashti or the sixth day of Navratri, the face of the goddess is unveiled amidst the rhythmic beatings of dhak. The priest takes the sacramental intention to conduct all the rituals properly.
পরমা প্রকৃতির আবির্ভাব হবে সপ্তলোকতাই আনন্দমগ্ন
Bodhun. Bodhun means awakening. In this auspicious ritual, the divine goddess is awakened by installing a copper vessel filled with water at the base of a bilva tree and offering prayers. This is also known as Ghat Sthapana or Kalash Sthapana.
एतस्मात् विषिञ्चन्तो राहुकेतुश्च दुर्गिता ईशया मनोयगाव देवमातरयेव च देवपत्नागुणागा दैत्यचस्परागना.
Navapatrika Snan. This ritual performed on Mahasaptami is symbolic of 9 forms of female power on Nari Shakti. It includes the worship of 9 plants: banana, turmeric, wood apple, pomegranate, ashoka, colacacia, jayanti, aram, and paddy, tied together in the form of Navapatrika or 9 leaves. Navapatrika, which is popularly known as Kolabo, is taken for a bath in the river, after which she is draped in a sari and placed next to Ganesha.
Anjali. Anjali plays a very important part among the rituals in Durga Puja. It takes place on all 3 days: Saptami, Ashtami, and Navami. At the auspicious hour of Anjali, everyone dressed in their new clothes gather in front of the divine goddess. Clutching a fistful of flowers along with bell leaves, they repeat the mantra after the priest and throw the flowers at the feet of the goddess in respect.
Kamode Kalukrit Kaushiki Tang Ring Kattayani Namostute Om Prochonde.
Kumari Puja. Kumari Puja takes place on Ashtami or the 8th day. A prepubescent girl dressed in new clothes and decked up with floral ornaments shares the stage along with the goddess, symbolic of a living incarnation of Durga Ma.
Sandhi Puja. This ritual is performed at the juncture when Ashtami ends and Navami begins. It marks the moment when Goddess Durga emerged in the form of Chamunda to slay the demons Chanda and Munda. 108 lamps are lit. Earlier, it was customary to make an animal sacrifice, but now it has been largely discontinued and vegetables are symbolically sacrificed and offered to the goddess along with the chanting of the mantra.
Dhunuchi Nach. One of the exciting and fun-filled rituals which takes place on Navami evening is Dhunuchi Nach. People with clay pots filled with burning charcoal in their hands start dancing to the rhythmic beatings of dhak. Dashera, popularly known as Dashami, celebrated on the 10th day of Navratri festival, signifies the victory of good over evil. In eastern and northeastern parts of the country, it signifies Goddess Durga's victory over demon Mahishasur, and in northern and central parts, it denotes the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana.
Sidur Khela, where Sidur means vermilion colored powder and Khela means play, is largely done by married Bengali women who bid adieu to Goddess Durga by applying some Sidur on her face. It is a way of preparing her for her journey back to her husband's place at Mount Kailash. It is done after Devi Borun, where they perform an arti with the help of pan, that is betel leaves, and offer the goddess sweets. The immersion or Visarjan is a cultural chaos that never gets old. Chants of Ashche Bochor Abar Hobe, which means come next year we will celebrate again, fills the air with strange grief. Post-immersion, younger ones seek blessings of the elders, and Vijay Shammilani are organized to bring people together to continue the festive season. The 5 days of celebrations are a heady mix of love, culture, friends, family, fun, dance, music, and rituals. And of course, one can't miss Kolkata's food, especially during pujas. Over a period of time, Durga Puja has gradually stopped being only a religious ritual and has taken the shape of a socio-cultural phenomena where people from all walks of life participate. So, on this happy note, if you ever come to Kolkata during Durga Pujas, we promise you a lifetime experience which you can't forget soon.